Hi, next part about the Eros passenger oxygen controller thing. I needed a bit of search, but I found a solution for the wire. I did cut strain relief from S-video connector, and it happened to be exactly the correct size to fit in the hole. And I did add here two small nylon loops to accommodate the cable, so it will be pretty nice. Here it was a real pain to resolder the wires, because as you can see they are quite close, and it is quite a rigid wire in fact. So you can see the bulbs doing all the backlight, and here the backlight front plate. So as always it is a clear plastic piece with cuts to fit the bulbs, and a white background paint and a grey paint over it. And the letters here are unpainted grey in fact, and you see the white under it. So it is how it is made. So I guess this will be a good solution. So there is something weird here. Usually it is not made like this. Usually you have a small coax connector, then unmates matching one in the front of the device, and it allows a field replacement of a wall front plate and backlight. But here it was not done this way. I wonder why. Quite weird. Okay, so I will put back the screws. Okay, the screws are back in place, so now I can start to reinstall this front plate by slightly pulling on the wire, and so like so. As you can see, it is not going anywhere. I will add a extra zip tie for extra safety, maybe here somewhere, so I can reattach the screws for the front panel. Like so. By the way, you will notice the awesome color of my pullover my wife got me. I just look like a tennis ball like this. It is very interesting. No comments, please. Last screw. Okay, now the button. So, one thing, you do not want to over tighten these screws in order to avoid breaking the plastic. And you will notice there is a gap here, because we have only 3 screws, while there was plenty of space to put 4 screws. So it is another fail in this thing. The button, you do not want to put it too near of the plate in order to avoid damaging the plate, and for some reason it will now go in. In fact, you have 2 screws, I did just notice. Okay, so you want to leave a gap 1 millimeter or so should be good like this. When these set screws get damaged and you cannot remove them anymore, you have a problem. For some reason this one did just fall. Maybe I did forget to tighten it previously. Okay, here I will put, for good measure, some zip tie, but it is aircraft grade zip tie because you can see the little piece here is in metal and not in plastic. It is an added metal part. It is much more sturdy. So just like so, it should be good. There we are. So this is not going anywhere. Before I reinstall it, we will have a look in this pressure gauge. So here is what we have. As you can see, very basic pressure gauge setup. Nothing special. As you will notice, there is no glass in the front. Okay, I will put it back in place and we will test out the backlight. So here we are, everything is back together, and backlight test for you guys, as you like, you see you like it. This thing was pretty simple to connect, as we have a wiring diagram on the back. Here it is how it looks like when backlit. Just requires 5 volts. They say at 400 Hz, but 5 volt DC is good also. They are just light bulbs, so it does not make a big difference. And as you can see, it is all back together. It looks like this must be some kind of adjustment. It goes in this part here. And now at least the wire is not going to tear off. I did also put a piece of heat shrink on the cut here to repair it. No, I will not say it is airworthy because I did tinker with pneumatic parts, but at least it is good enough for my collection. Okay, I hope you did enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.